Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Coordinificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing Prisoner by Miley Cyrus featuring Lipa. Okay, so for this song we're gonna use our capo on fret number 5, and we're playing basic chords. And the first chord is gonna be an A minor, and then we go to G, and then we go to F, and then D minor. Now, if you're not familiar with these chords, you can check out my chord video. It's on this channel. If you can't find it, let me know in the comment section below. I will link it, right? So that's the verse. That's the chords for your chorus, right? Now let's do the chords for the verse, okay? And the intro. All right. So A minor, C, and then F, D minor. That's your intro, okay? The prisoner, prisoner, na 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 na. That's A minor, C, F, D minor. Okay, so getting into the verse, okay? A minor to G twice, and then we go to F, alright, so A minor, then A minor, G, and then we repeat A minor, and then G, and then we go to F, G, and then we start over again, A minor, G, okay, and then twice, and then we go to F, G, and then just to close, and then we start over again. So for the bridge we go, you keep it going on. That's an F to G, okay? Keep it going on. Okay, so you keep it going on. I want us to do the bridge together. F, G, A minor, G again. Okay, so you keep it going on, na na na, na na na, na na na, na na na. Okay, so just so I'm sure I gave you the right chords, let me just F, G, and then we go into the chorus. Right, the chorus is what we started with. C, okay, so prisoner, prisoner, A minor, C, F, alright, hold on, there's a part that's confusing me. Okay, that. Okay, so A minor, C, just like we did in the intro, F, right, and then we get into that rock part where she goes, that's the part that I showed you at the very beginning of the song. So yeah, that's pretty much the whole song, guys. If there's any other new songs that you need me to check out, let me know in the comment section below. Otherwise, do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. Peace.